target trades. Power trigger trade.
All right, I'm inside here of PowerGroupTrades. I want to show you a plan I posted for SQ on August the 28th. So let me click in here and to show you here. So I said SQ is set up to test $85 to $88 a share on the low end. 90 is possible depending on the power towards the targets. Well, obviously this is going to have even better targets. I made some updates. I'll show you what I said inside of PowerGroupTrades. And basically, here's the again, this was August 28th, and this was the price it closed at. And the options, as you can see, and the options here, right over here where I'm quoting, they cost $525, but we paid more, of course, okay? So I said SQ needs to break above 81.75 to confirm. Okay, see, when you do things like this, you have to have big picture skills, okay? You can't be a stock clown, bearish, AMD at 22, and then watch AMD fly. See, you got to understand, you got to learn how understand how to read the market, and that's what I am, big picture expert, the best at that. So let me show you what big picture skills can do. You know, not baby skills like little day traders, people. Come on, let me show you. Let me exit. So basically, and I am the big picture expert. So here's August 29, SQ, the October 19, 80 calls is what I plan to use. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, sorry. So SQ confirming with the October 21, 80 calls at 6.00. So let's see today, let's go take a look at the outlook right now. Let me show you here something. Let me show you here. So here we are in the charts, and SQ right now is at 90.52. You can see it just popped up as I posted this. And this is during, by the way, this is during 2:28 p.m. on September the 4th. Okay, so greater than 100% gains. That means doubling your money. If you invested $3,000 in SQ, it's up to 6K. Can't make this kind of money without in the bank, you know, with baby traded mentality. You think little day traders could do this stuff? You want to be with $1 billion mindset, big picture expert. This is big picture thinking here. I can identify stuff like this. I do this all the time, over and over and over again, right inside my YouTube channel. You can find it. Open your eyes, open them. Anyways, here it is, people. Just loving the gains. As you can see, $1,235 an option now from $600 entry. Okay, some people may have paid $620. Point was the entry that I could get easily into for me on the confirmation, because I know what I'm looking for, $600, and now you see for yourself what the options are worth. September the 4th at 2:30 p.m. This is big picture thinking, people. Big picture skills. Let me close this up over here. Close this up over here. And let's go to Power Trigger Trade. Listen, you want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades. It's right here. Study this video here. See this pinned tweet, August 31st. Study that video. It explains how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let's go quickly in my YouTube channel. And this is very, listen to me. You want to study this creative playlist. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
All right. Welcome to Power.
Oh, shit. Yeah, you want to study this creative playlist right over here. Okay. All winning plans like what you're seeing right now, from before the fact to confirmation to the end fact. I mean, I think that SQ can go to 93 here, but right now I'm demonstrating rated 100% gains. Let's see. So if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to talk to you right now one-on-one and show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say.
Power Trigger Trades, Sandro here, the big picture expert. Now that we just finished watching that video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to study my creative playlist, a wealth of information. From plans from start to the confirmation to the end result. Powerful, powerful, time-consuming videos I made for you to study, for you to witness, for you to grow mentally, for you to succeed. People, we are now witnessing the premiere in health and wealth, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video! format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to like